you want to head out shopping today, it would be a good day. It's nice weather, I hear, Kate.
Yeah, absolutely stunning on this Tuesday. Temperatures pretty seasonable for this time of year. We're warming nicely here around midday. Temperatures upper 70s, lower 80s. We're at 81 degrees in Muscle Shoals, 80 in Moulton, 78 still in Huntsville, 81 in Scottsboro, and 82 in Fort Payne. There is lots of sunshine out there, nice and quiet on the Way 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network. I'm watching closely though, especially our eastern counties, because I've been mentioning to you the stationary front that's off to our southeast. We do have some rain in North Georgia, and this stationary front is going to try and start moving northward as a warm front. As it does so, we can see a couple of showers here in our eastern counties, but most of us are going to stay dry through the rest of today. We'll get to enjoy views like this. Not a cloud in that sky over Decatur. And as we go through the next couple of days, yeah, we got a little bit of cloud cover in here for tomorrow as another cold front comes through, but the sun is back by Thursday and Friday. We'll have mornings that look very similar to this one. I love this photo from Hartselle. This was submitted in the Alabama the Beautiful Facebook group. If you would like to share your photos as well, use the hashtag ATBWAAY31. Join that group first if you're not a member already. And I love this because it's a really lovely shot, but Greg also had a nice pun in here. He says fog or haze. Notice the hay rolls there and then a little bit of fog off in the distance. So thanks, Greg, for sending that one, and a really lovely morning view there in Hartselle. And something else that I want to keep you aware of, we're talking about how nice it is today. Yes, that is true. But this time of year, we've got to really keep an eye on the ragweed. If you are an allergy sufferer, Megan heard me sneezing a few minutes ago. I think I set off about 3 sneezes. Ragweed is what is reading very high on a day like today, so take those necessary precautions before you head outdoors for any length of time. Walking the dog this evening, looking good. 83 degrees by 6 o'clock, cooling into the upper 70s by 7 o'clock. There's that very slight chance for a shower in there. But again, most of us stay dry. Watch future radar as we go through the rest of today. I'll take you to about 4 o'clock and watch our eastern counties here. And what I see in this data source is not so much showers during the day, but as that warm front gets a little bit closer, you'll see a couple of these showers coming up by the afternoon, late afternoon into the evening, and then overnight. This is now stopped at midnight. Temperatures mainly still in the 70s, but we will be dropping into the 60s for most of us starting your Wednesday. Now watch what happens. That warm front, as it's trying to drift northward, pretty much fizzles out, but there's another front coming in here from the northwest, a cold front. Here's 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. All the way to 7 o'clock, that front's going to be rolling through. The clouds are on the increase tomorrow afternoon. Chance for showers there, but this is a pretty dry front moving through. And by 7 o'clock Thursday morning, fronts already moved off towards the southeast, and your temperatures, you'll notice the difference, waking up to about the 60-degree mark Thursday morning. By the afternoon, highs are in the lower 80s. I told you it's a fairly dry frontal passage. We're talking up to 1/4 of an inch at most there for our eastern counties. That's for the next 7 days, not just for tomorrow and Thursday. Want to get you an update on the tropics. We still have major Hurricane Larry. Larry, no big impact to land here anytime soon, expected to weaken a little bit. And we've also got this area of thunderstorm activity in the Gulf. As that tracks towards the northeast, we're giving it a 30% chance of tropical development, which means we don't expect it to do much aside bring a good amount of rain to the Florida Panhandle and parts of Georgia. So we're watching that one for you just in case. 7-day forecast looks like this. Upper 80s next couple of days, but behind that front down to 83, your high on Thursday, down into the upper 50s by Friday morning.